In a country as diverse as Nigeria, where our languages, custom and tradition are as varied as the colors of the rainbow, the number of insects in the forest, the number of leaves on trees, and the number of fishes in the body of waters.
But the diversity in Nigeria is not just about its ethnicity. It's reflected in our art, music, and food. Each group has its own unique traditions that enrich our national identity.
In the heart of Nigeria lies a treasure that transcends boundaries. It is a symbol of the celebration of togetherness, a bridge between cultures.
This simple, unassuming treasure is transformed through technique and love. You take it, and with just a bit of effort, some heat, a touch of patience, it becomes something utterly delightful.
Iyan funfun lẹ́lẹ́, ọba nínú oúnjẹ, ìjòyè pàtàkì láwùjọ òkèlè, ọ̀rẹ́ gbogbo ẹ̀yà.
From the Yorubas in the west, to the Igbos in the east, to the Hausas in the north, and to all the beautiful tribes across Nigeria, pounded yam serves as the bridge that connects us all.
Every tribe adds its unique touch. Whether it is the spicy eforiru of the Yorubas, the savory ofensala of the Igbos, the captivating elemimeje edikakong of the Efik, or the creamy mayan taushe of the Hausas.
When shared, we celebrate our differences while embracing our common identity and cheering to unity with freshly tapped palm wine.
At Iyan by Ports, every plate of pounded yam serves as a reminder of our shared heritage. It is a dish that nourishes not just the body, but also the spirit of unity.
Join us at Iyan by Ports, where every meal is served with the spirit of celebrating diversity and embracing togetherness.
Àwọn àgbà Yorùbá bọ̀, wọ́n wí pé tí èèyàn ò bá débi tó ń lọ, kì í dúró.
That's why we are bringing this journey of unity and culture closer to you, one branch at a time. Join us as we celebrate not just freedom, but unity through taste.
This independence, as you enjoy pounded yam at Iyan by Ports, remember this. It's not just about the food. It's a celebration of our culture, our unity, a celebration of our shared future. IYÁNMÍNIRA.
Àmì Ìsọ
Ní Ọjọ Òmìnira.
Kékeré lè rí ní Ìkẹjà, Iyan by Ports tí Yaba ń bọ̀, ẹ máa bá wa ká lọ.